everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Today I'm going to try to get back to a little bit of baking and cooking. The last 4 weeks have been very difficult, and if you've watched my previous 2 videos, you'll see that my husband passed away 4 weeks ago. For me, I'm grieving and I'm crying a lot, but the best thing I can do is keep myself busy. So I thought I would make something today, and my son and I would enjoy it. And I hope that you will too. So, there's a diner near us, and I love to go up there and have their turkey club sandwiches. They're so good. They put so much turkey in there, and bacon, and the tomatoes, and they made them so big that usually when we would, order them, my husband and I would split one. My son would eat a whole one, but my husband and I would split one because they were filling. Well, today I'm going to make something special for you. I'm going to turn that turkey club sandwich into a turkey club casserole. That's right. Have you ever heard of that before? Well, you're gonna see how I make it now, and let me tell you, it's easy and you're gonna love it. So, let's get started. The first thing I did is I preheated my oven to 375 degrees. It's already preheated. Now here I have use any type of like a 2-quart casserole dish. This might be 2.5, I'm not really sure, but it will work. Now you want to take a non-stick spray and spray the bottom and the sides of your pan. Okay, now what you're going to need for this is 1.5 pounds of sliced thick Deli turkey. So I was food shopping the other day, and I went to the deli section, and maybe you can see this. I told her I need 1.5 pounds of that nice roasted turkey breast, and don't make it too thin. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the turkey, my hands are clean, and I'm going to layer it on the bottom of this casserole dish. Oh yeah, let me use this fork over here. Just layer it all down there. That's why you want it nice and thick, so it doesn't all fall apart on you. And it's going to be enough to probably put a couple of layers on there. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Okay. You want to cover the bottom of your dish. So with 1.5 pounds of it, depending on how thick they make it, you'll probably end up with a couple of layers on here. So there we go. Let me just get all the turkey on the bottom of this casserole dish that we sprayed. Alrighty. Look at that. Isn't that a nice piece of turkey? Yeah, so I'm getting about a nice thick 2 layers of turkey on here. If your turkey's a little bit thicker, maybe you'll get less. But this is fine. The more turkey, the better, as far as I'm concerned. Yeah. Here we go. Alrighty. Looks good. I got 1 piece left. Should I eat it or should I put it in the dish? I'll put it in the dish. Okay. So that was easy. I didn't have to cook my turkey. Alright. Now, what I did is I took a package of the cooked bacon. This happens to be Oscar Mayer. And this is already cooked, so you just have to heat it in the microwave. So what I do is I take a microwave dish, I put paper towel down, I spread my bacon out, I put a paper towel on top of it. Now, this has, believe it or not, 12 pieces of bacon in it. And the recipe calls for 12 slices of pre-cooked bacon cut in half. So I like my bacon crispy. So I cooked it, I think it was 1.5 minutes, but you know, everybody's microwave is different. So I'm gonna take this knife, and you could just break it with your fingers or cut it in half, just like this, whoops. And I'm gonna layer this bacon over the top of the turkey. Oh boy. Smells delicious. I mean, who doesn't love bacon? I don't know. I do, that's for sure. Yeah, so if you break it in half, you can have enough where it should cover the top of the turkey. It's easier for me to just break it in with my hand. My hand's clean, rather than try to slice it all with a knife. This is looking good already. I'm hungry. It's, oh, what time is it? It's about 1:15. I had to go out today and do some errands. I had to go to the post office and the bank, and lots of paperwork I still have to do. But I thought, you know what? When I get home, I'll be nice and hungry, and we'll make this. And as long as I was making it, I figured I'd show you how I'm going to do it. So this turns out perfect. I'm going to hold it up for you so you can see it. 1 package of that bacon. Let me move the dish over. Will cover the entire dish of turkey. Here we go. Now, let me just wipe my hand over here on this dry one. Now, I took 2 tomatoes. These are nice red Jersey tomatoes. And I'm going to now put a layer of my sliced tomatoes on top of the bacon. Nothing like a Jersey tomato. All right, these look so good. Whee! I'll put a picture in for you, because if I hold it up, well, everything's going to probably slide, and I don't want that to happen. Whoops. So 2 tomatoes, they don't have to be gigantic, but 2 nice tomatoes fit on here perfectly. And there's even a couple of tiny pieces left that I can eat. So let me put a picture of this in for you. Don't go away. Oh, I have my shirt on today. It says, "Baking the World a Better Place." All right, so let me move this over. All right, now I'm gonna take like a medium-sized bowl. And in this bowl, whoopsie, I'm going to put a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Okay. A ½ cup of mayonnaise. I like Hellmann's, but you can use whatever kind you want. Okay. And 2 teaspoons of mustard. Is it sounding good already? And I'm going to try and get back to my baking and my cooking. It's hard for me. mean, it's hard for me. I'm not having an easy time of it. I guess I'm definitely in the grieving stages of losing my husband. But I know me, and people might say, why are you doing this? Because it's keeping me busy. And if I just sit all day, I will cry all day. So I try to keep myself busy. And we have to eat, so I figured I'd show it to you. So I'm going to mix these 3 ingredients in my bowl. And when I get it all mixed, I'm going to spread it evenly over the top of the tomatoes. See how that's coming? And look how easy this is to make. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to spoon it over the top, and then I'm just going to spread it with my knife. Get this. Let's make a nice brunch or a lunch. And it's something you don't see very often. I mean, how often have you seen a turkey club casserole? Maybe this is even your first time. I'll put a recipe down below for you in that more box. So I'm just going to take a knife and I'm going to just spread it gently over the tomatoes. Okay, and I'll put a picture in of that too. Oh, this is looking so good. And wait till you see our next step. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Alrighty. Okay. Yeah. So let me get my camera and take a quick picture of this so I can insert it and you'll see what it looks like before we do our last step. I'm getting hungrier by the minute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And if, I guess I should tell you now, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you on board. I do make a lot of fun recipes, and I make recipes that are sweet and savory, and they're easy to make. So it's free. You just hit that little subscribe and the bell, and that's it. You'll get a notification when my next video is coming up, and you won't miss it. All right, now here you can see on this board, I have the Pillsbury Buttermilk biscuits, and I've cut each one in half. So I'm going to arrange the pieces of the biscuits evenly over the top of the casserole. Oh yeah. You're going to love this one. And if you try it, make sure you get back to me and let me know what you thought. So yummy. And I have the picture, I have the package. I think they're the grand ones. Buttermilk, and they fit perfect. You cut them in half, they cover the entire top of the casserole dish. One left here, I'll put it over here on the side. Yeah, and move that down and put this one here. Alrighty. And this is what it's going to look like. I'll put a picture of that in for you too. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in my preheated 375 degree oven for about 20 minutes, just until the biscuits are golden brown. And then, when I take it out of the oven, we're going to cut this into 6 nice sized pieces. And then we're going to do a taste testing, so stay tuned. Oh my goodness, does this smell good? I just put a picture in so you could see it. All the cheese is melted. Oh my gosh. The biscuits are all brown. Now it says you can cut this into 6 pieces, so I'm just going to start on the end here. I may have to stand up. Remember, we have all that turkey on the bottom. Mmm. Very hot. I just took it out of the oven, so it might be messy on the plate. You know, the first piece is always the messiest. Okay, let's see if we can get this baby out of here. Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to take a picture of that for you too. Alrighty, look at that. Looks good and it smells good. Now I'm gonna let you know if it tastes good. So let me see here. Like I said, it's very hot. Mmm. Oh yeah. All that turkey on the bottom. Oh yeah. Mmm. Bacon. All right, here we go. I'll let you know. Mmm. 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 It's delicious. I'll take this over a regular turkey club sandwich any day. Really, really good. So I'm going to end the video now. I hope you'll give it a try. I'll put the recipe down below for you. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you. So I'm going to go eat my brunch. Thanks for watching. Love you all. And I'll see you soon. Toodles!